go home, go to sleep for a night, come back, whole operation's in shambles. just kidding.
When those hydraulic kits come in, we should be able to swap them out, connect it. Yeah, but as long as all the electronics are going.
You're talking about that beast.
Yeah. Nice. A little easier with a bigger hammer, hey?
Yeah. Oh. Okay. That'll do it, yeah. Nice work.
He's off.
Lovely. Okay, got the ram out, or the whole cylinder I should say, and the broken piece off the bottom. That's where it snapped though. Don't think I'll be doing any planting today. I'm going to leave Larry and Randy to work on the end of that broken ram, trying to get out the piece that screws in. Anyways, I've held back long enough. Jeff's pretending to work in there. Drill, yeah, that's pretty big. Different than what we're used to. Toe between. This tank, however, is a monster. No chance we can hook these stairs with the tractor. Holy smokes, look at all the compartments here. And the conveyor auger. That's pretty sick too. Massive.
Tank 1, you put in your urea, 200 acres out of that.
Oh, that's cool.
Set that up.
All right, it's been a couple hours. I had to go to the city to look for a hydraulic repair shop to get that cylinder repaired. Had to go to a couple places, but found one, I think, on my way back, and Randy gave me a call. He lost a wheel off of the disc. Oh, hey, Randy. Oof.
What else?
Shredded.
God, are we having fun yet?
Tough day here.
And I think it's the same 12.5 by 15.
Oh, is that this same one? I think so. We got a spare tire. In fact, in case that one's too rough, just popped this guy off. And I'm gonna clean it out, see if we can get at the bearing. Well, so we can get at the bearing. Randy's got to order some bearings, I think. Couldn't find any in the warehouse. What are you up to here, bud?
Just swapping these. Just gonna
I
take
guess,
that end
yeah.
off. It's just a minimalizer.
It's less chance of leaks this way than what I was picturing.
I don't know.
Looks kind of funny.
A little concerned.
$68 feet of drill. Sweet. Seeing if we can get our shanks to pop down. So when you get to the headlands, you just press a button and it raises all the shanks. You don't need to lift the entire drill. We were just going to see about operating this conveyor auger. Maybe I can see where there are some leaks. Well, there's some obvious ones. A lot less hoses and shorter lengths than that other drill, that's for sure. And easier to access. Oh, just greasing this bad boy. But I see Jeff's got some movement on the conveyor auger.
That's heavy. Do that job to move this conveyor around. It's a good thing to stop it from swinging out through a little bit of an angle.
Conveyor things into the farm next door. Meanwhile, I have a 20-foot hydraulic hose to take off. That goes from here all the way to there. I gave you that walk through before, but I did get the hose off. She's a little long. Jeff's still working on some wiring shit. Won't be long though. A little gloomy this morning. Hopefully we get that baby going, because this baby's not going anywhere for a few days still. Randy's off this morning. He went to get that giant hydraulic line, a replacement for it. We are also just waiting for a deer mechanic to kind of come and check our work on the drill, because aside from replacing that hose, we think she's almost good to go. We had Jason, the mechanic, out from Deere. He was happy with all of Jeff's wiring, and he was happy with the drill overall. And he got that hydraulic line fixed eventually. Went to Rocky Mountain Equipment. They cut him a new line that was 2 feet short, so that did not help us. So he had to get another one of those made. My day can be summed up by that pile of broken, used, holy hoses. And now Randy wants to just take it out of the field and really just see how it pulls. We don't have any seed or fertilizer or anything in the drill, because of course it started raining. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. Okay, there's no getting around that guy. This drill basically, and tank, takes up the whole road. It is 21 feet wide. Looks like a nice tight GPS line. What a beautiful symphony. Randy is gonna familiarize himself with this drill a little bit tonight, but that's gonna do it for me tonight. So, till tomorrow, it's been a slice. Cool.